Is córá an ceol. Caithimid bheith an éisteach lena chéile. Gan a bheith is smaoinemh agus just a díriú ar teanga speisialta an ceol.
Tá comhoibriú scéal go mbeidh den ann rudí spéisiúla a chruthú le chéile.
The beautiful thing about collaboration is you learn something new about yourself and your own artistry in someone else's perspective.
Play acting with the rest of you just ain't working.
I think that's beautiful.
Bech na nascanna atá ann idir an gá tír. Sa cheol, sna healaíontóirí, tá muid cosúil lena chéile ní léinn difriochtaí mór ionainn.
Bhfuil sé taspáin an choiltúir ó Persia dom.
It's pretty spicy.
Is it?
Yeah, tá sé. Chó speisialta.
You're on the payroll now.
On the payroll.
Well, we'll consider you.